Welcome back to our daily code challenge series. So today is day 35 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1258 shuffle string. So in the given problem, we have given a string s and integer array indices of the same length. The string s will be shuffled such that the character at ith position move to indices I in shuffle string, and we have to return the shuffle string. Fine. So in the picture you can see we have given code lead. It is the s, the given string, and the indices we have given 4 5 6 7 0 2 1 3. So basically we have to just map on the given indices the exact character that we have, and we have to return that as our output. Right. Similar example 2, we can see ABC and indices given 0 1 2, so there will nothing will be changed. Even after shuffling it will remain the same, so we are returning ABC only. Fine. Okay, so indices length can be it will be equal to the string length, which is equal to n, and n can be lie between 1 to 100. Fine. And s can consist only lowercase letter. Fine. So we can simply create one character array and just map the required indices with this same character, and we'll return the string, right? Okay, so now let's just start the coding. So we'll create one char array. So it will be new char of length, same we will take indices dot length. Okay, it should be capital C. Now what we will do, we'll simply do the for loop, and we'll start from I to 0. I should be less than indices dot length minus 1. Okay, and I plus plus. Now we'll simply map in our new array at the index that has been given. So indices of I. So at that place we'll simply map our exact character string. So we'll take that given string. So in response, we'll simply return the array, but as we have the return type is string, so we'll convert our character array as a string. Okay, so using we can create object and we'll pass this character array into this, so it will convert our indices to this one. Fine. Okay, let's submit and see the test cases. Cannot find a char symbol. Okay, my bad, it's not a wrapper class, so it should be small case letter. Okay. It is adding some extra character, right? Why it is so? Not caret I, and this is dot length minus 1. It should be less than. So hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 36, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1576. We need to replace all question marks to avoid consecutive repeating character. So let's see what the problem statement is saying. So we have given a string s containing only lowercase English letter and the question mark character. Convert all the question mark character into lowercase letters such that the final string does not contain any consecutive repeating characters. Okay, so you cannot modify the non question mark characters. Twice. It is guaranteed that there are no consecutive repeating characters in the given string except question mark. Fine. Return the final string after all conversions, possibly 0, have been made. If there is more than one solution, return any of them. It can be shown that the answer is always possible with the given constraints. Okay, so we have constraints like length of string will be between 1 to 100 and it will always be English letter and question mark. Fine. If we see example 1, so given a string is question mark GDS, so we need to replace this question mark with some character like which should not be consecutive to the next one. Okay, so we can't give Z here, but possibility there we can 25 solutions here. Okay, like alphabet we can add except Z. Example 2, like we have given UBV question mark W, so we can't use V and W here because we can't do consecutive characters. So instead of that two, we can use 24 alphabets here for our solutions. So if we see about this pattern, so ideally we can use any existing character except the left side and the right side which is consecutive that to the question mark, right? So basically we will need 3 such characters, ideally not 26 characters at all total alphabets. We can smartly use these 3 characters only. Let's suppose we can take ABC. We'll compare is if A is not in the left side and right side, we'll simply append A right here, right? Similar way, if in this as well, like I will take just 3 characters instead of taking all 26 characters. Fine. So in this case, what we can do is I will first convert the given string into char array. So let's take ch is equal to s dot to char array. We'll use the inbuilt method to convert our string into char array. So it will convert our string into character array. Now what we'll do, we'll run a loop starting from index 0. Okay, and this will go till s dot length, and sorry, this is already array, so s dot length and I plus plus will increase our counter, and we will must have a check here if char at I is equals to this question mark. So in this case we have to check for a character, right? So in order to check the character, we will run loop again. We'll starting from character C equals to A, it should go still C should go still equals to C, like only 3 we are picking, right? And similarly we'll increase our counter, and here we have to check the left side and right side as well on both places. So in order to check that, we have to track left, and left we can check using -1 of the current index. So in order to that, we will have to check the I. If I is greater than 0, okay, in that case we will take the left character, and our left character none other than chi minus 1. I will assign null. So if we assign 0 as character, it will nothing, it is taking it as null. And similar way, right side we'll check if I is less than our start length -1. So hardly we have to take -1 character. Okay, so in this scenario we will simply take s dot I minus I plus 1. So just next character from the current position, right? If it is not such, so we'll simply assign null. Okay, Now we have the track of left and right side. Now what we have to check is yeah, we have to check here if left is not equal to our current character and right is not equal to our current character. In this scenario, what we will do, we will just assign ch of I at that position. Will assign our c and will break here itself, break the loop. And that's how we will have our replace character for this question mark. Now after breaking the loop, we will simply return here. We will return as we already have the character array, we will simply return a string as a required return type is string, so we'll return ch here. Okay, so now we'll try to submit and see test cases is passing or not. Okay, so cannot find symbol as so we have some issue here. Okay, so we are already have the character array, so we'll simply take the length of our character array here. Fine, let's see if this works. Yeah, so our test cases got accepted. We'll submit and see other test cases. So yeah, it accepted all the test cases now, and it is 99% passed. So yeah, if we talk about the time complexity here, so as we are iterating through all the size of the character, so it is big of n, and similar way as we are using extra spaces, so it is of big of n, so and representing the length of the string. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, let's see on next video.